how to enable split keyboard mode for Gboard Keyboard on Android or Samsung devices. Once you have Gboard Keyboard as your default keyboard and you are about to start typing, your keyboard is going to pop up like this here. So the first thing you want to check is make sure your auto rotate for your phone is enabled, which would be this one right here. Now, once that's enabled and you turn your phone into the landscape view mode like this here, you'll notice that you'll get that full keyboard like this here. Now, once in this mode here, you'll tap on these 4 rounded squares over here, and you'll notice the option for split keyboard is available right here. So when you tap on that, like this here, your keyboard will now enter into this mode here, okay? Now, of course, if you want that mode, it's up to you to keep it that way. And if you don't want it, you can always, while in this view mode here, tap here again and then switch back to the standard. You can only access split keyboard in this view mode when you're in the landscape view mode, okay? So switching it back would be like this, and then of course going back to it would be like this here. And that's it for this guide. Like and sub.